Hey guys, it's your girl Queen DTV here, back with a video to talk to you about Firmoo glasses. So Firmoo partnered with me so I can talk to you about their Black Friday sale. Each pair of glasses comes with its own travel case and travel bag, and the travel bag is not only cute but serves as a cleaning cloth. How convenient is that? So you don't have to carry around extra items to make sure that your glasses stay pristine. So Firmoo actually sent me two pairs of glasses, sunglasses and regular glasses. They even include a discount code whenever you get your first purchase. This one is for 50% off frames, and you can recommend a friend. This is the second pair of glasses they gave me. They're more of a funky style with the cheetah print and light brown. It is so cute. And you can style these glasses in any type of way. If you want to jazz up a professional look and look more cute at work, you can even do it with that. You see how I have it on with my nice cardigan, as if I'm about to go work at the bank. Like, I'm just posing for you guys, showing you all the angles at which these glasses and the outfit look cute. Here are the sides. They're nice and sturdy. They also sent me these sunglasses that have prescription in them. The glasses and the sunglasses both have a blue light filter in them. So I had to throw on a summertime t-shirt because I'm definitely gonna get some use out of these this summer. Like, I was blind every day and now I don't have to worry about the glare. And then I decided to show you guys one more casual fit. If you would like to get a pair of your own glasses discounted for Black Friday, 30% off, and sunglasses even up to 80% off, go to firmoo.com using my link and the code in the description box below so that you can get some glasses for your friends and family this Christmas. Bye everybody! I hope you enjoy your glasses.